Hey guys, I got here my 65 Ford Ranchero. I'm going to change out the front suspension on it. The suspension I went with was Hotchkiss suspension. So I'm going to be changing out the A-arms, upper and lower, sway bar link, strut rods, and the end links on it. Take the spindles off, get them cleaned up, powder coat those. And yeah, we'll be doing that. I have everything but the coilover, so I'll show that in another video in the future. And then we'll get right to it.
Perfect.
That strut rod out. I'm not going to be using these, so it's going to get rid of them. Today I'm going to be putting on the lower, upper, and strut rods. It's been a few days since I took everything off. I touched everything up with some raptor paint, cleaned it up. Now we're ready to go and put it in. So here's the Hotchkiss lower A-arm. I'm just going to bolt everything up, fasten it on by hand, and then later I'll torque it down with the spikes that needs to be. Here I got the adjustable strut rod by Hotchkiss, and now we'll put that up here, connect it to the lower A-arm. So here's the upper A-arm from Hotchkiss. We'll put this on, and I'll put the spindle, which I got powder coated, so that'll look good. Torque these down now, and then that'll be it, and then I'll go get the spindle and put those on, show you the final product. This part right here, torque down to 20 foot-pounds. The strut rod up front, 50 foot-pounds. Alright, upper control arm, 60 foot-pounds. them powder coated. They look real good. I'll put them in and that'll be it. Alright guys, I have here the final product of the whole installation, the suspension. As you can see, I got the spindles powder coated, everything in, torqued down. I don't have the coilovers yet. I'm gonna do a separate video for that, and then next thing I'll do is the steering linkage. Yeah. So give you a little walk around. Yeah, that'll be it. See you in the next video.